Hi, welcome back. I am finished with retwisting the rest of my hair. I got it all cleaned up. I'm going to turn all the way around so you can see the back. Hopefully you can see this well. Okay, it took maybe a couple hours, maybe 2 hours to retwist the whole hair. I did it in two parts. I did half of it, made some breakfast, ate, and did the other half. I like to twist it all the way down to the ends as far as I can, just to keep the twist in as long as it will. I don't clip them, but I do dry my hair with a hair dryer for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes so it will loosen up and kind of melt some of the product that I put in there into the hair, so it starts to knot it up a little bit better. So these are the final results. I hope you like my tutorial today. Thank you, and thanks for watching. Oh, I almost forgot. I am more than welcome to any comments and questions or any advice that you have. Since this is the first time I'm doing this to my hair, I am just kind of DIY by myself out of my own head. So definitely welcome to any kind of advice. Thank you, and thanks for watching.